Katanat bording ke jylla, kala penjuri ke jingkhynra persya yaki kamtu bording ha kylleng ke jylla, ha kabana kalyang u commissioner and secretary katanat bording, usanji Goyal ha ka arpusan trik jiliu, ula ong baya ki jingtok kit la penlong man la kasngi ha kylleng ke jylla, kenang ban khanglat ya ka jingduk nong. U Goyal ula ong baka investigation wing jong katanat, kala trekam ha borok kawe ke jylla, bat om tang hakikat tu kat ni kijaka hapo rilum karo. Ngidan yak investigation wing om tang hakithan ka rilum karo ki badan khandiat Henry haborok kawe ke jylla. Ni kimi benya yak ni manla kasngi ula ong. Namar ka ka day bet ke jingdu nong yak corporation bat ling ba jong phi ngakwa ban kerpa ikipat ba bagitu ki badai hok kinong pendan kam boarding da kalenti ke badai ki haban mat jing namar kini ki kambe an balale tang da ki kattu kat ni ula ong. Ula pensyai ru baka kam tu boarding kam dei setia ka babun. Henry katanat kalale yak ke badan kam habalap ikibakum kini kiba le bean. Kawanra ka jingdu nong yak corporation bat kawanra ru ka jingkit ka bakya hakal yang kapisat tingka na kabenta gitu kinong pendan kam boarding kipada hok namar ki don bet ki basyak ta ong u Goyal haba banrap baka tanat kadang yai beteng ban but din bat penstam yi gitu ke badan keti hagini kam bean.
Investigation wing, not only in the DF areas which are just very small areas, in the entire corporation. We do this as a routine and daily kind of activity because this is a direct loss to the corporation. And through you, I would like to again appeal to the public that those who are the genuine consumers, they face the problem because of these kinds of illegal practices by a very few of them. I'll say that it's not very common. It is happening in certain areas. We are taking up the activities which are mandated to us under the law. The Electricity Act allows us to take action against such kind of individuals who are allowed into illegal theft of the electricity. This is not allowed under law. It brings loss to the corporation, and at the side by side when the corporation is at loss, it brings more financial burden on the genuine consumers. Because somewhere somebody is sort of like getting impacted. So, I mean, this is a practice. We have our investigation wing. We keep on checking these kinds of illegal activities, if you name it so, and then we raise the compensation bill also. People pay it also.